Altius Mining Limited has opened its initial public offering to raise $15 million to fund gold production. The funds will be used to increase gold production from its mine in Forsyth and further explorations at its Queensland and New South Wales sites. For more on the IPO, we're joined in Melbourne by Altius CEO Alexander King. Alexander, thank you for joining us. Your timing on this venture seems to be spot on considering the price of gold.
We are a little blessed in that regard, but mind you, the price of gold has been going up quite steadily over the last 2 or 3 years, and we were certainly profitable at a much lower price, but this is certainly something we're happy to accept.
Now look, how much gold is Altius producing at the moment, and what are you hoping to get to?
We do plan to commence production immediately post the IPO and the listing on the ASX. Our initial targeted production is 50,000 ounces in the first year, which is quite modest, but the advantage that we do have is that it's low tonnage, high grade production from the Forsyth mine, and that will increase obviously in years to come as our exploration program continues.
Walk me through that timeline in a little more detail towards the IPO, and do you have any indication on the appetite for the take-up?
We've just come back from a road show throughout Asia and have had a phenomenal amount of support through there, certainly bolstered by the current high price of gold, but also I think the Altius story is resonating strongly with investors. We expect to open the offer sometime this week, probably Wednesday or Thursday, I'm led to believe.
How is the $15 million likely to be spent? Let me put it this way, what are the priorities for Altius?
Number one priority is obviously to get the mine in Forsyth into full production. We anticipate that will take probably somewhere in the vicinity of 6 to 8 weeks post the listing. And then we have priority exploration targets, including the Forsyth development in Queensland, but also we have significant targets which are advanced towards feasibility in New South Wales, notably at Sofala and Karangi and Huntingfield, which are, particularly as in the case of Sofala and Karangi, well-known and historical gold-producing areas.
Yes, look, how soon do you think the increased exploration may start to pay off? So beyond the IPO, what are some of the key dates you'll be looking at?
Our immediate goal is to develop 2 open pit small operations at Sofala. They will be developed sometime over the next 6 to 12 months. We've done a reasonable amount of exploration work there already, and confident that we can establish these 2 operations certainly towards feasibility status within that 6 to 12 month period, and into production in the following 12 months.
We will need to leave it there. Great to have you on the program. Thanks for joining us, Alex.
It's a pleasure.
Great. Alexander King, the Altius CEO, here on Sky News Business.